You can make this homemade buttery garlic bread without using any butter. This olive oil garlic bread recipe is a better for you version of traditional garlic bread, and it tastes just as good. Plus, subbing olive oil makes it completely dairy-free and vegan. For this recipe, you'll need 1 large bakery bread loaf. I'm using an Italian loaf, but I've also used French bread and even a baguette for this recipe. Slice the bread however you like, but I prefer to do these thick slices for Texas toast style garlic bread. Just remember that thinner slices will need less time to cook. In a mini food processor, add the following ingredients: 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 6 cloves of garlic, or about 6 teaspoons minced, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Blend these ingredients together before adding anything else. Blending the garlic instead of mincing it makes the mixture a little thicker and more spreadable, and it also helps to infuse the olive oil with the garlic flavor. Add 1/4 cup of fresh parsley to the food processor and pulse to combine. You can blend the parsley with the other ingredients if you'd like, but I like to chop the parsley leaves so that the small parsley flakes are left on top of the bread. Once your olive oil spread is complete, bring back your sliced bread and evenly spread the olive oil mixture onto each slice with a pastry brush. To ensure that you have enough olive oil for all of the bread, add a small amount to each slice at a time. Bake the garlic bread at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your bread. They are done when the crusts are crispy but not burned. You can find the full written recipe and list of ingredients in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious vegan recipes. Thanks for watching!